Okay, we are going to revise probability, and mostly this is today's class is the last class. Okay, and then Monday we'll be meeting. Okay, Monday onwards you'll be writing your exam. Okay, so listen, children. Once again, I'll give the important things about your question paper. Your exam for the max exam, there will be 50 questions. Okay, noted, children. There will be 50 questions. It is divided into 3 sections. Section A, Section B, Section C. 3 sections are there. Section A, Section B, and Section C. In Section A, if you take Section A, 20 questions are there. You have to answer any 16. Okay, you have to answer any 16 questions. Out of 20, you have to attempt any 16. Okay, don't attempt all the questions. I have told you earlier also. Okay, don't attempt all the questions. Which are sure, which are the answers you know, surely answer those questions. If you attempt all the 20 questions, means first 16 only will be evaluated. The last 4 will not be evaluated. Sometimes your last 4 answer will be correct. In between that 4 may be wrong. So you may be losing the mark. So don't attempt all the questions. Okay. You have to answer only first, okay, which are sure to you. 16 questions you have to attempt. Then if you take section B, in section B also, you have 20 questions. You have to attempt any 16. And in section C, you will be having case study questions. In section C, you'll have 2 case study questions. You have to attempt any 8. Any 8 questions you have to attempt. Okay, you have to attempt any 8 case study questions. So altogether, what will be the total? Is it 40? So 50 questions will be there. Out of 50, you have to answer any 40 questions. Okay, this is the pattern. And each question carries 1 mark. Each question carries 1 mark. Okay. So now let's discuss probability, case study questions from probability. Before we do this probability, just recall the formula. What is the formula for probability of an event?
Number of possible outcomes by total number of outcomes.
Number of possible outcomes by total number of outcomes. Okay, what is the probability of a sure event? Probability of
1.
a sure 1. Very good, Hadyami. It is 1. And probability of an impossible event?
0.
0. Probability of an event always lies between dash and dash.
0.
0 and 1. Okay, probability of an event always lies between 0 and 1. Okay. Now answer these questions. Go through this case study. Children, is it clear? Is it?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you zoom a bit more?
And that's what, 1 second, I'll check it. I want, okay. Now is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
On a weekend, Rani was playing cards with her family. The deck has 52 cards. Her brother drew 1 card. Now answer these questions. Probability and all easily can score. Is that no? Now answer this one.
1 by 52.
1 by.
Answer the first 5. After that, we can discuss the answer. Answer the first 5 and we can check what about the answer. How many are correct? If you take 1 case study questions, there will be 5 subdivisions. Okay.
What do you mean by face card?
Yes.
What do you mean by face card?
Face cards means king, queen, jack are the face cards. Okay. King, queen, jack are the face cards. You can see some face-like structure in that card. That one only we call it as face cards. Children, I hope you are all having the printed copy of the sample paper, board sample
Yes,
paper.
ma'am.
That is the model. Okay, that is the model. So once you complete the first 4, tell me, I'll scroll up so you can answer the next one also. First one, is it over?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now answer the 5th one. Yes, you can check the answer. What is the answer for the first one? Look at the answer. What is the probability of getting a king of red color?
1 by 26.
1 by 26.
1 by 26. How many red kings are there?
2.
2. Is it correct, Meghna? 2 by 52.
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it? Total cards are 52. So it is 2 by 52, so which is 1 by 26. What about the probability of getting a face card?
3 by
3
30.
by 13.
3 by 30.
Total, how many face cards are there?
12.
12. 3 4s are 12, isn't it?
Yes.
Then, probability of getting a jack of hearts. Jack of hearts.
1 by
1 by
13.
15.
1 by 13.
Total is always, look at the denominator here, look at the option. Is that 13 here?
1 by 52.
One total cards is always 52. Okay. Next one. Getting a red face card. Red face cards.
3 by or 1 by 13.
3 by 13.
How many face cards are there?
8.
Total
Red face card.
king, queen, jack. Isn't it?
1 by 13.
1 by 13. So can you tell me the number first? How many red face cards?
6 red face card.
Is it 4 or 6?
6.
6. So 6 by 52. Is it correct, Aman? Muhammad Aman? King, queen, jack are the face cards. So each type you will get. So 4 3s are 12. So if you take this face cards, 12 face cards are there. Among the 12 face cards, okay, so 12 face cards are there. Among the 12 face cards, 6 are red and 6 will be in black color. 6 are red and 6 are black. So what is the probability of getting a red face card? It will be 6 by 52. So what is the answer? What will be the
3 by 26.
3 by 26?
I'll get options answer.
What is the answer, Vishnu Priya?
3 by 13.
Ma'am, 3 by 26 and simplify
1 by 4.
Ma'am, 3 by 36. 26.
3 by
26.
26.
But 3 by 26 is not there, isn't it?
1 by 4.
How will you get 1 by 4?
By simplifying.
3 by 20.
Total cards is 52, isn't it? That is 6 by 52. 1 second. Let's check the answer. What about the next one? What is the probability of getting a spade? Spade.
1 by 30.
How many spades are there first?
4.
Is it spade 4?
No,
And
13.
13.
13 spades.
13
So no, 13 spades will be there. So 13 by 52. What will be 13 by 52? 1 by 4, isn't it? For the fourth one, what is the option given there?
3 by 13.
Option is A, 3 by 13. Children, it's okay. We'll get 3 by 26 only. It's red face card. Total number of cards is 52. And how many red face cards are there? 6. It will be 6 by 52. Okay, some mistake is there. Note it down, children. It will be 6 by 52. 3 by 26 only will get. It's not 13. It is 3 by 26. Now, go through the next case study question about the dice. Okay, we throw 2 dice. Okay, we throw 2 dice here. Rahul and Ravi plan to play business in which they are supposed to use 2 dice. Using 2 dice, answer this question. If you throw 2 dice, what is the total number of outcome?
12.
No.
2.
What is the total number of outcome? Is it 12? Arjun.
4.
36.
Yes, yes, it is correct, Arjun. It is 36.
36.
6 into 6. 6 into 6. 1 die means 6 outcomes. 2 dice, 36 outcomes. Now, answer the remaining questions. So first 2 questions, is it over, Afsana? Rifa? Rosebi, is it over? First 2 questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay. 2 dice means you draw the table. Okay, accordingly you can answer it.
Is it 1 by 18?
1 by 18. Sum of the numbers appearing is 8, isn't it? We want the sum as 8. So what are the possibilities to get sum 18? 8, sorry, sum 8. It will be 2, 6, 6, 2, then 3, 5, 5, 3. Yes or no, Melvin? And 4, 4. So how many possibilities are there? 5 by 36. Is or no? Sum is 8. Sum of the two numbers appearing on the dice is 8. We want the sum as 8. So it may be 2 plus 6 or 6 plus 2. 3, 5. 5, 3. 4, 4. So it is 5 by 36. Okay. Is it okay, Melvin? Now, what about the second one? What is the probability that he got sum of the two numbers appearing on the top face of the dice is 13? What is the answer? Meghna, second one. Sum of the numbers is 13. 1, 3. Meghna?
Only up to 12 is there, right?
Yes?
Sum is only up to 12 is there, right?
Yes, yes.
Zero.
So, 0, is it possible to get 13?
Yeah.
No. So, it is, yes, Meghna. So, it will be your answer.
0.
0. It is impossible, isn't it? So, answer is 0. Probability of an impossible event is 0. And what is the minimum sum you will get? When we throw 2 dice, what is the minimum sum you will get?
2.
2. Okay, minimum we will get 2 and maximum we will get 12. When we throw 2 dice, minimum sum is 2 and maximum is 12. Now try the next 3 questions, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Answer the next 3.
Ma'am, 1.
1, third one. Why?
Because
It would be always.
Yes. We'll be getting all the events, isn't it? Sum is less than or equal to 12 means all the possibilities are there. So it is 1. Okay. Next one. Hein Steve, is it clear? Hein Steve? Is it okay? Next one. Rahul got a chance. What is the probability that sum of the numbers appearing on the top face of the dice is equal to 7? Number appearing on the top face of the dice is equal to 7. 2 by 36. 5 by 36. Is it 5?
1/6.
It is
Ma'am, will
6.
you zoom the screen?
Is it okay, Rifa?
That means 5
Yes,
by 9.
5 by 9. Children, I think you are not thorough. Okay, that day I gave one table like this. Is that no? How many of you wrote that table? You make a 6 by 6 table. If you are thorough with this table, easily you can answer these questions easily for a dice. What are the outcomes when we throw 2 dice? 1, 1, 1, 2.
And we can't
But-
see the board.
Now is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
1, 6. Okay, these are the outcomes. You draw that. Okay, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Again, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Then 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Five, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Then 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. Okay. Now, okay, suppose the sum, suppose we are asked to, suppose we are asked to find the sum. What about the sum? If you take this elements, these two elements, here sum is 2. Okay, 1 plus 1, it is 2. If you take along this diagonal, here sum will be 3. So what is the probability of getting sum 3? Only 2 cases are there. Look at here, you can count and see. This is 1, this is 2. So sum is 3 means it is 2 by 36. Sum is 2 means it is 1 by 36. Now take the next case. Here you will get sum 4. Next case here sum is 5. Next is sum is 6. And sum 7. This is along. Okay, that one if you take the main diagonal along the diagonal, you'll get sum as 7. Again the number will go on reducing. Now here, in this next case you will get sum as 8. The next is sum 9. Next is sum 10. This is 11. Sum is 12. Okay, if you know all this table thoroughly, you can answer the questions easily. Sum is 7. So sum is 7 means what is the possibility? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is
36.
6 by 36, which is 1 by 6. Okay. Now look at the next part of the question. Is it clear, children? Huh?
Yes,
Hope you,
ma'am.
Rizwan?
Yes, ma'am.
Now answer the remaining questions. From the table, you can answer the remaining question. What about the sum of the numbers appearing on the dice equal to 7? It is? What will be the option for the fourth one? And Mary? Fourth one? Haya? Answer the fourth question, Haya. Haya? And Mary?
1 by 6.
Yes, yes, it is 1 by 6. Now look at the next one, fifth one. It was Ravi's turn. What is the probability that he got sum of the two numbers appearing on top face of the dice is greater than 8? Sum of the two numbers appearing on the top face of the dice is greater than 8.
Five by 18.
5 by 18. It is 5 by 18. Sum is more than 8. Look at here. Sum is more than 8 means sum may be 9, it may be 10, 11, 12. So 9, 10, 11, 12 are possible. So sum may be 9, 10, 11, 12. So how count and see how many possibilities are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So answer is 10 by 36. So it will be 5 by 18. Okay. So it is 5 by 18. Okay, that's all. That's about the case study questions. Is it okay? Is it clear? Now let's do the case study question given from the sample paper. From the sample paper, which are the questions given? Let us go through that one. So now answer the 20th question, children. Look at the 20th one. A letter of an English alphabet is chosen at random. What is the probability that it is a letter of the word mathematics? It is a letter of the word mathematics. What is the answer? A letter of English alphabet is chosen at random. What is the probability that it is a letter of the word mathematics? Adidev, what is the answer, Adidev? Adidev?
Yes, ma'am.
A letter of English alphabet is chosen at random. What is the probability that it is a letter of the word mathematics?
11 by 26.
11 by 26.
11 by 26. Have you got that 11?
Ma'am, 4 by 13. 4 by 13.
11 letters for mathematics and 26 letters in alphabet.
Okay, 26 in alphabets, it is okay. 26 alphabets are there. Now look at the letters in mathematics, whether some letters are repeated or not.
Ma'am,
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
4 by 13.
Yeah.
Then what are the possibilities? M, A, okay. Then T, H, E. Again, M we have counted. Okay, so I'm not taking M, A, T. Then next is
I
6,
see.
7,
11 by 26.
8. Is that no? So 8 by 26. That is 4 by 13. Okay, how many letters are there? That one, if you look at the letters, okay, we whenever a letter is repeated, you count it only once. Suppose they ask, what is the probability to get the letter M? Then, okay, what is the probability to get the letter M in from the word mathematics, from the letters of the word mathematics means, what will be the answer? Listen to the question. What is the probability of getting the letter M from the word mathematics?
2 by
11.
2 by,
11.
is it 11
26.
or 2 by,
26.
is it 26? You are taking only the word mathematics.
So 2 by 10.
Is it 10? How many letters are there in mathematics? If you look at the letter.
11.
11.
11.
Or 8.
2 by 9.
2 by, M is occurring 2 times. And what about the other letters? 1,
1 by
2,
4.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 by 8, which
1
is
by 4.
1 by 4. Okay. If repetition is allowed means, then you can say 2 by what is the total length. Okay, sometimes they will mention what is the total length. Okay, using repetition. If repetition is allowed means, then you can count and take all the cases. So then in that case, it will become 5 plus 6, I think it is 11. 2 by 11. Now look at the next one. Now answer the 26th one and 27th one. 26th one and 27th one.
Ma'am, 11 by 13.
11 by 13. What is the probability of the card drawn is neither a king nor a queen. We don't want king, we don't want queen. So you take the remaining cards. So how many kings are there? How many kings?
4.
4. And how many queens?
4.
4. 4 plus 4 is 8, isn't it? We don't want this 8 cards. The remaining possibilities are allowed. So 40, what will be the answer?
44 by 52.
Yes, 44 by 52. 44 by 52. If you simplify, 22 by
11 by 13.
11 by 13. Yes. 11 by 13. Now look at the next one, 27th one. 2 fair dice are rolled simultaneously. 2 fair dice are rolled simultaneously. The probability that 5 will come up at least once. The probability that 5 will come up at least once. Okay, 1 or more, 2 times also allowed. At least means minimum 1, maximum 2 times, isn't it? Because we throw the die twice. So 1 or 2. How you'll get 1? 27th question.
5 by 36.
5 by 36 is wrong.
Ma'am, 12 by 36.
12 by 36 is also wrong. Count and see, children. Okay. Look at the same dice question. Okay. The same table is enough. That is the table. Look at the table. From this table, you can see 5 will be coming at least once. That means 5 will be coming one or more times is allowed. So 5 will be coming at least once. So what are the possibilities? 5 1 is possible. 5 2 is possible. 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6. Then 1 5 is allowed. 2 5 is allowed. 3 5, 4 5. Already 5 5 you have taken. 6 5. So now count and see. What is the answer? How many times?
11 by 26.
11 by 36, isn't it? 11 by 36. It is not 12 because 5 we are taking. Okay, 5, it comes in both the cases. So only once only we have to take. So it will be 11 by 36. I think this one is over. Okay, go through the questions given in the sample paper. Okay. Solve each and every question given in the sample paper.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then for the exam, once you get the question paper and all. Okay, children. We wind up this session. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.